Hi, and welcome to this quick overview of Crystal's meeting report. In the Reports section of your Crystal dashboard, scroll down to Meeting Report and hit Build. You can input a meeting name and start adding people. Once you've added the people, you can hit Build Report and you'll get something that looks like this. It'll have an overview of what the group personality will look like, each person in the group with their archetype and disk type, a personality map with each person listed, and you can scroll through and see insights on how each person interacts with the group. And then down here we have a group conversation coach, basically. We can call or meet with this group, and we have several different scenarios that we can be talking about. And Crystal will tell us what, for each person, what we can do that they'll appreciate and what we can say for that scenario. If you have Gmail, then you can run this report straight from your Gmail calendar. Just click on a meeting and look for the View Meeting Report right there. That will create a report for your meeting for the people that you have predictions or insights for, and you'll be able to get this information.